Hello, Aaron here. I'm not going to give you the normal spiel of an intro because this is not, per usual, a random rambling video. It is instead an audio check. Just an audio check. Why? I'll tell you why. Because I've been having problems with my audio interface, I believe. And it sounds a little weird in my headphones. So I want to see how does it sound to you. And the only way I can do that, really, is by making a video and playing it back and seeing how it sounds. Water. And that is my plan. I'm going to talk for a little bit and long enough to know whether or not there's an echo, or I'm clipping, or I'm not loud enough, or whatever. Just long enough to make sure everything's going according to plan. And then I'm going to hang it up and play it back onto my TV, see how good it sounds. And just see how good it sounds. I'm not going to talk too much longer because I don't want to disturb my roommate, who is currently sleeping. I believe. Who knows? Maybe I'm already disturbing him. That's a big deal. I don't want to act like that's not a big deal. It is a big deal to me. I don't want to disturb anyone making these videos. Especially my roommate. I think there's a ghost in the hallway. Ghosts caught on video. Although this is a video recording. It is I guess it's still a video, but it's not on a tape. It's not a tape recording. That's what it's not. It's not a tape recording, but it is a video recording. So ghosts caught on video. Next. On Discovery. No, I don't know what channel would show Ghost Caught on Video. Alright, that's not enough for me to know what's going on. Two Fingers A-Dub Club. See you when I see you. Pizza rolls. Peace!